Next up in our step progression is a lateral step up. So what we're going to do is our targeted leg is going to be our right leg. We're going to place it on the side of a step. So depending on your strength and control, I would start with a lower lying step. So this is 4 inches. You can use the threshold at home, a couple books, and then as your strength and control improve, start to increase the height of that step. So start low to emphasize control. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an alternating step up. So I'm going to step up and then step down. Step up and step down. Now one foot can stay on the step at all times. Emphasizing though control of the knee, so I'm going to monitor my knee control, making sure my knee stays in line with my second toe and it's not caving in on the step up or the step down, because that's a lack of stability in these hips, and I want to definitely make sure I monitor that because that can place a lot of strain through the inside part of the knee. So emphasize that knee control, and what we're going to be doing is just alternating. And then, as I said, as you get better at this, you can change the height of the step to increase the intensity of the exercise.